Welcome to another episode of JAT Online Maths. This is our second lesson on linear equations. Today, we are going to look at equations containing brackets. Okay? Now, let's try our first example. We are going to remove the brackets. That's the first step. So, we are going to use the 3 to multiply everything in the brackets. Likewise, the 4 to multiply everything in the brackets. So 3 times x will give us 3x. 3 times 1 will give us 3 equals 4 times x will give us 4x. 4 times negative 1 will give us negative 4. Our next step is to group like terms. So we are going to have 3x. I want the variable to come first. So we are going to have 3x, 4x crossing the equal sign. It will become 4x, negative 4x, equals negative 4 will stay. This is positive 3. When it's crossing the equal sign, we are going to have negative 3. So our next step is to add them. 3 minus 4. You are owing me 4. You are paying 3. How much are you owing? You are owing negative 1. So we are going to have negative x. Please don't write negative 1x, okay? Because x itself is 1. So we are going to have negative x. So take note. Negative 4 plus negative 3. You are owing me 4. If you own another 3, how much are you owing? You are owing 7. So we are going to have negative 7. Our next step is to divide both sides by the coefficient of x. So the coefficient of x is 1, but we don't write it. It's invisible 1. So divide here by negative 1, here by negative 1. Negative will cancel negative. Negative will cancel negative. So we're going to have x equals 7. So this is our final answer for our first example. Sometimes they will ask you to illustrate your answer on the number line. So let's learn how to represent your answer on the number line. So we are going to have our number line 0, 7, negative 7. Our answer is 7. Start at 7, draw a small circle and shade it. Okay? Shade it. So this is how you are going to represent your answer on the number line. I hope you are getting the steps. That's good. Let's try our second example. The same procedure. 3 times 5 times 3x will give us 15x. 5 times negative 5 will give us negative 25. 2 times x will give us 2x. Now take note. Negative times negative will give us positive. So take note. 2 times 5 will give us 10 equals 11. Our next step is to group like terms. So we are going to have 15x minus 2x. Now take note. This 2x, negative 2x, it will not cause any equal sign. So you maintain its opposite sign. So take note. Equals 11. Negative 25 is causing the equal sign. So you're going to have plus 25. 10 is also causing the equal sign. Its opposite sign is positive. So you're going to have negative 10. Our next step is to add them. 15 minus 2x will give us 13x equals 11 plus 25 will give us 36. 36 minus 10 will give us 26. Good. So we're going to divide both sides by 13. 13 here, 13 here. 13 will cancel 13. You're going to have x. 26 divided by 13 will give us 2. Good. So this is our final answer. I hope you can represent this on your number line. Good. Try your hands, okay? Good. Let's try our third example. The same procedure. 2 times x will give us 2x. 2 times 1 will give us 2. Negative 3 times 2x will give us 6x. Now, Take note, negative times negative will give us positive. 3 times 1 will give us 3 equals x plus 6. We are going to group like terms. So we are going to have 2x minus 6x. This x is positive. When it's positive, we are going to have negative x equals 6. Now, 2 is causing equal sign, so we are going to have minus 2. 3 is also causing equal sign, so we are going to have minus 3. Now, we are going to add them. 2x minus 6x will give us negative 4x. Negative 4x minus x will give us negative 5x. Okay? So take note. So we're going to have negative 5x equals 6 minus 2 will give us 4. 4 minus 3 will give us 1. So we are going to divide both sides by negative 5. Negative 5. Negative will cancel negative. 5 will cancel 5. We are going to have x is equal to negative 1 out of 5. So this is our final answer. Now, have you seen the way I presented my work? Good. It's very neat. So try and practice. Now, do you know something? I want you to try your hands on this for me, okay? Good. Don't give up. Keep on trying. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new lessons, okay? Good. I wish you all the best.